here to see if there are any questions from the audience.
Thank you very much for the presentation. It's very fascinating for me to see. I think I would like to address the questions to Ewa. I would like Ewa. Yeah, the talk show one. From what I can understand, that the Yemen devastating condition right now is also influenced by the superpowers in the Middle East, like Iran and Saudi Arabia. How do you see the civil declaration or such thing can also reconcile those two superpowers over there? Meanwhile, if the reconciliation is only happen within the Yemen territory, I think the influence that is right now happening right there is not only at their national level, but also in the regional level. So, yeah, I think.
So how to reconcile with big powers? That's a very good question. That's really a very good question. I think, I mean, it's extremely complex and complicated because we also see like different interests, for example, of Saudi Arabia or Emirates, and they are both in the same coalition, right? So they also have very different vision related to Yemen. Probably now it's difficult to reconcile it, and it makes the perspective of peace in Yemen even much more complex, and that's why the war lasts for such a long time. But on the other hand, I would say that it's also very important international responsibility, and I want to mention something related to the UN Human Rights Council, because actually because of the pressure of Saudi Arabia in 2021, the UN Human Rights Council voted against extending the mandate of a group of eminent experts on Yemen, and this was the only mechanism that was documenting the war crimes in Yemen or the violation of human rights. So I think it's very important also to put much more pressure on international community to do something to stop attacks of civilians, but also to establish this kind of mechanisms to document in official way human rights violation.